Hi there, my name is Tony. You're on the Tony Trades channel, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite strategies, which combines two indicators, Alligator and the demarker. But before that, I invite you to join my free Telegram community where I share various educational materials, bots, guides, trade breakdowns, and also trade myself during my free time. The more views there are, the more motivated I am to keep working on my channels and sharing knowledge with you. So support me, follow the link in the description and join in. Now it's time to tell you about the strategy. In this video, we will use the Alligator Indicator in combination with the demarker indicator. Without waiting for any additional signals, I'm opening a sell trade right away. How do the indicators work? The Alligator Indicator consists of three colored lines. The blue line is called the jaw and has a calculation period of 13 with an offset of 8 bars. When it's above the price curve, it indicates a possible upward movement. If the jaw rises further, a drop is expected. The red line, known as the teeth, has a period of 8 and an offset of 5 bars. It is the fast moving average and reflects price behavior within the hourly range. The green line, called the lips, has a period of 5 and analyzes short-term downward tendencies. Right now, the blue line is on top of all three lines are pointing downward. The demarker indicator is positioned below 30, so we opened a sell trade. In the meantime, the first trade has closed, which means it's time to find the next signal. It's worth noting that the demarker indicator is very similar to the RSI, but it's based on the highs and the lows of candles over a certain period. In this case, we're using a period of 14, which means we analyze the highs and lows of the last 14 candles. We see a curve ranging from 70 to 30, allowing us to identify overbought and oversold levels. For example, if the line breaks 70 from above, we open a sell trade. If it breaks 30 from below, we open a buy trade. Right now, we see a clearly formed upward trend. We can support this direction. The green line is on top, which indicates rising prices. So, I open a buy trade to follow the overall market direction. We're using a 1-minute expiration and 1-minute chart. If a correction occurs, we can use a compensation system. This trade closed negatively, but in my opinion, the uptrend remains intact. I'm going to duplicate the buy trade, relying on the indicator's readings. We wait for the result. In this case, the uptrend is supported and the trade closes positively. Let's try to find another entry signal. Here we see the opposite situation. The alligator's blue line is on top and we see a downtrend. The demarker indicator is near the 30 line, signaling a selling trend. I open a sell trade, expecting the price to drop. Demarker has already broken below 30, confirming the downward movement. If we look at the chart, the highs and the lows are falling, which also shows a downtrend. The strategy is fairly simple, but it's important to interpret the alligator signals correctly. You can use this indicator consistently in your trading system. This trade has closed. Excellent. Let's try to find another signal. The demarker has broken through the 70 level and we see that the alligator's mouth is open. The green line is on top, the blue line is on the bottom. This indicates an upward trend. We can wait for a confirmation candle, then I open a buy trade. And there it is. I open the trade. The demarker can be adjusted if you're not getting enough signals. For example, you can change the period to 7 to increase signal frequency. Unfortunately, this trade closes negatively, but I duplicate the trade again. Another buy trade. The general trend is downward, but the alligator shows upward movement and the demarker indicates a breakout above 70, signaling price growth. The trade has closed. Great! I like this strategy. Always remember to use a loss compensation system. If you realize you just ran out of time, that can really save you. Money management is extremely important in trading, just like emotional control. Always trade with a clear mind. If you feel emotions taking over, take a break. This is truly important and something many people forget, especially beginners. I see it all the time among those who just joined my private trading group. But over time, with my help, people begin to pay attention to this and correct their mistakes. And that makes me very happy. I'm proud of my students. And if you also want to learn from me, message me directly using the QR code or the link in the description. There are still a few spots left in my group, so you will have some time. Thank you for watching. Like the video and leave your comments. Have a great day, and I'll see you very soon on the Tony Trades channel.